your attention in the Hyperia queue line. Please be aware if you're currently towards the back or just joining the Hyperia queue line, your approximate waiting time is 150 minutes. Once again, that is 150 minutes from the back of the Hyperia queue line. If you are not here with a school trip, we would highly recommend coming to ride Hyperia later in the day where the queue line will be significantly shorter. Once again, if you are not here with a school trip, we would highly recommend coming to ride Hyperia later in the day where the queue line will be significantly shorter. Please also make sure if you're on our ride access pass queue line that you have correctly scanned the QR code at the entrance so that your time to next ride starts ticking down whilst you are waiting. If you're on our Fastrack queue line, please make sure you have a correct and valid Fastrack ticket for this ride. Gold, silver and bronze tickets are not valid. The only tickets valid here are platinum and Hyperia one-shots, which have a specific time on them. So please make sure if you're on our Fastrack queue line, you have a correct and valid Fastrack ticket for this ride with the correct time. Please be aware that Fastrack is sold out for this ride for the day, so if you do not have a Fastrack ticket, please do not join the Fastrack queue line with the anticipation of buying it later. Thank you.